Hello children, here I am with my new video. In this we are going to solve question number 4. A nice question, important for exam, for competition examination also. You will see in Olympiad, in other competitive examination, even after board also you will face these type of questions. So let's see. The cost of 5 kg of sugar and 7 kg of rice is rupees 153. Okay. See, cost of 1 kg sugar is not given, neither 1 kg of rice is given, so we may consider, let cost of 1 kg of sugar is equals to x, cost of 1 kg of rice is y. Okay, so cost of 5 kg of sugar is what, 5x. Cost of 7 kg rice is 7y, because we will multiply weight with the rate. Okay, and the cost of 7 kg of sugar and 5 kg of rice is 147. So this is for second equation, this will be first equation, this is second equation. Find the cost of 6 kg of sugar. When you will get the answer of x and y, means cost of 1 kg sugar, 1 kg rice, then you will multiply the rate here and here to get the answer. So let's see how I have solved the sum. As I told you, similarly I have written here that cost of 1 kg sugar is x. So my question talked about cost of 5 kg sugar, and for second equation we need 7 kg sugar. So if cost of 1 dairy milk is rupees 150, so cost of 5 dairy milk is what, 5 into 150, right? I know you all are smiling children. Okay, so when we will meet, I will bring dairy milk for you and we eat by sharing. Okay, cost of 7 kg sugar is equals to what, 7 into x. We will multiply, or 7 dairy milk is what, 7 into 150, right? So same thing I done here. Now let cost of 1 kg rice is y, so cost of 7 kg rice is what, 7y, and cost of 5 kg rice is 5y. Now as my question said that cost of 5 kg sugar plus cost of 7 kg rice is rupees 153, it means 5x. Is it 5 kg of sugar? I have written the cost 5x, and cost of 7 kg rice 7y is equals to rupees 153. Okay, see, there is no need to write down this line. You may write also. I just thought that if I will write it, then it will be comfortable for you to understand from where this equation made. Fine. And in second equation, what is the second condition? Cost of 7 kg sugar plus cost of 5 kg rice is equals to 147. So I have written as statement and then put the value 7x and 5y is equals to 147. Then we used both the equation as simultaneous linear equation to get the answer of x and y, that is the rate of sugar and rice. Multiplying equation, I have decided to cancel x, eliminate x term. So I have multiplied this equation by 7 and this by 5. See, I have copied the equation, multiplied by 7 and multiplied by 5, and written the same thing that what I am going to do here. Then after multiplication we got this equation, and then we subtracted the equation because both are having same sign, so we can't reduce or eliminate the number. So minus 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 minus, because all are with plus sign. So when you subtract 49 and 25, this is 24y, and after subtraction this you will get 336. So y is equal to 336 upon 24, so it is equals to 14. So this is cost of rice, 1 kg rice. So we got the value of y. Now we will substitute this value of y in any of equation. So I did it. I put the value of y in equation 1, and y, it is 98. So 5x is equals to what? I have written 5x is equals to 153 minus 98. This is transferred there. 55 by 5 is 11. So rupees 11. Okay, this is 11. So we got both the rate. I have written here x is equals to cost of 1 kg of sugar is rupees 11 and cost of 1 kg rice is rupees 14. But this is not the end of our answer. We have to find out something else. My question says that not here. Do something else, something more. And what is that? Cost of 6 kg sugar and 10 kg rice. So cost of 6 kg sugar is what? 6 into x. And 10 kg rice is what? 10 into y. What is x? X is 11, y is 14. So we multiplied 6 into 11 is 66 and 10 into 14 is 140. So overall rupees 206. And here your answer is over.